We sometimes forget the smell of rain, the touch of grass. We work and play indoors. Nature has become a chapter in a textbook. We can't go on like this. Our relationship with the environment is a mirror of the relationship with ourselves. Increasingly, STEM educators take their students to local creeks where the measurement of water quality is the anchor point of an inclusive environmental science curriculum. Preparing and conducting these field trips can be complicated, and not all schools have the required material, curricula, or expensive equipment. That's where we come in.
I am Dietrich Rühlmann. We started GaiaXus to help teachers deliver a modern, science-based outdoor education experience. We interviewed dozens of STEM educators and realized that we needed a different type of water quality probe, one that is specifically designed for outdoor education and not just a repurposed laboratory instrument. The probe had to be robust, easy to use, and affordable, but also highly accurate and able to tie into the curriculum itself. The entire sensor probe weighs only 2 pounds and is waterproof down to 10 meters. There are no buttons, switches, or anything that can snag or break, and the sensors are well protected on the inside. The probe can be towed behind a kayak or used from shore, basically anywhere with safe access to water. We didn't want anything to stand in the way of teaching, so we designed the system to fit into the education workflow. Once the student recovers the sensor probe, our app automatically connects and downloads the data. The app does more than that. Abigail will show you now.
Hi, I'm Abigail Reeves. I work for GaiaXus and I also teach environmental science. My background is in biology, so I'm very excited to share with you the horseshoe crab curriculum that we developed for the GaiaXus app. In my classroom, I teach students about the life cycle of these amazing creatures and how they are dependent on very specific water quality conditions. I take my students to the beach where they explore the area following the guided questions inside the app. I had prepared the questions beforehand so that they fit directly into my curriculum. The GaiaXus sensor probe generates accurate data that is relevant to the content that I teach. It is a great link between the theoretical part of STEM education and the hands-on experience of my content area. In addition to horseshoe crab ecology, we have developed curricula for several topics, including oyster reef health and the impact of winter road salt on creek ecosystems. We are working on a large online platform where students can collaborate with other schools, share data, and explore concepts just like scientists would.
Hello, I'm Dr. Suzanne Hiller, Director of Multidisciplinary Studies and Education with Hood College in Frederick, Maryland. In my academic research, I study students' achievement and STEM career motivation in the outdoors, particularly in programs like citizen science. GaiaXus has some unique features which have the potential to be a game changer in terms of educational impact. The GaiaXus probe is a multisensory device that monitors water quality. While the device collects data such as pH, salinity, and turbidity, through a GPS connection, it can also send students metacognitive prompts to help them analyze and interpret data. For instance, the GaiaXus probe can ask students what turbidity levels mean for an organism in a specific region in real time. Preliminary findings for a case study show that students are motivated to use GaiaXus for research and that they value the focus on analysis and interpretation to solve environmental problems. Suggestions for future research are to assess students' self-motivational beliefs, achievement, environmental attitudes and behaviors, and career goals.
Our goal is to help teachers empower the next generation of scientists and engineers to help heal our planet. We would love if you could join us on our journey. We're looking for educators, community leaders, teachers, and visionaries to help us test our sensors and apps. Together, we can make this happen.